Back muna. Northwest.
They're trying to go towards northeast, sir. You can wrap around towards north side of you. You can see the hill, you can go up around the hill.
Follow. Follow sa
Guys,
crown.
masyado kayo malayo ah.
So they're trying to walk towards northeast, sir, now.
Saan sila nakaharap?
You're gonna be careful, here.
Back muna.
They're not fighting at the moment,
Back muna. Hintayin natin sila mag-engage, tapos saka tayo pumasok. Spread.
Yeah.
Di tanks ko, dikit sa akin. Sige.
You can try to engage in this one guy, but we have to let it go. They just engage on the choke,
Ready boys. Ready Pats ha? Ready in 3, 2, 1. Drop on the ground. Dito, south, east. Okay, go back.
You gotta be careful here, they might try to run you over right now.
Defensive. Sige. FLT. Tingin na sila sa atin ha. Sige, atras lang kayo.
You can just keep kiting. Quick right now is right.
Atras.
Right behind that.
West. Nasaan ka?
You're still good. Hold for now, you engage. You need to be careful here.
Dito punta tayo sa likod ni Razico. Sa crown.
You can do shallow engage if you want.
Sige. May maklingi tayo ha. In 3, 2, 1. Dito kayo maklingi. Everything. Sige, boost. Gawin natin yan. Tara.
Careful, they're facing you right now.
Atras. Go back. Go west. Kung nasan si Crollo, yun yung magandang pwesto. Atras pa kayo. Sige.
Yeah, it should be good. They just split right now.
Sige, nandyan yung quick.
But you need to be careful. They're just facing. They're full facing you right now.
Nakatingin sila. Sige, atras kayo.
They just got engaged by quick. They try to. They're not countering, so you need to be careful here. They still have engage.
Sige, hold on tayo. Pag nag-engage sila, sabayan na natin.
You gotta be careful here. You might get engaged by quick. You need to go west of you.
West, sige.
You can take north.
Pwede tayo, north tayo. Akit muna tayo. May narinig ako nag-engage sila ba yan?
They just engaged by quick. They just get engaged by quick. But it's shallow. You need to be careful here. You're gonna get to
Sige,
V1 here.
ready. Tingin kay Rasigo.
They have engage. You need to be careful,
2,
okay?
1. Oh, never mind. Back. Bad engage, sorry. Atras. Sige, go west.
You should be good here.
I might be dead.
Hindi, boy ko pa.
You're gonna get engaged on southeast of them. They just engage.
Nag-engage yung nope. Tama ka.
Quick. It was quick. They have engaged now. You need to be careful here. You need to go west side more. Because you're gonna get sandwich here by
Sige,
fucking
spread pa tayo. Choke to. Atas pa kayo, nakatingin na yung ano.
If you want to sandwich them, you need to take the north side. You need to wrap around northeast.
North pa. Sige.
Northeast.
Follow the ground, stay behind me.
Careful the choke. They might try to engage you in the choke here.
Huwag kayo masyado malapit sa pag-akit ha.
You need to be careful here.
Nakatingin yung ano. Kala ko.
Yeah, just keep kiting. You can just walk
Pagpasan
around
nyo lang
towards
tong ano.
They might try to wrap around southeast. You need to be careful here.
Sige, go north. Behind me.
Southwest of you is quick. Southeast of you is the woman. So you need to be careful southwest of you.
Gaya niya sa crown.
Uy, ba't
Sige,
nga
atas
kayo?
pa kayo. Yung crystal, pinapatay ng crystal. Sige, akit tayo sa choke.
Sorry.
Tapos pa ano lang.
They're full facing here now.
Oh, ready kayo? Sa atin na nakatingin to ah. Ready na kayo boys. Nagda-drop na akong Judy. Engage in 3, 2, 1. Putang ina. Drop.
You need to be careful southwest of you. Okay, you need to get northwest.
Go west, go north. Basta spread ya. Mahuli yung iba. Laruin natin yung choke dito sa west side.
Nakahiwalay kami sa baba kami.
Sige. Safe pa kayo.
Sige lang, regroup
Guys,
pa.
mount up agad. Sige, walk lang.
Dito, makaka-regroup ko dun.
Sige, punta sa crown. -2. Patay sa
Minus one.
Bakit DPS mo okay pa?
Sige. Pwede tayo bumalik dito.
So quick is right behind them right now.
Pag bumalik kami sa pwesto namin, quick na yung
Yeah, that's gonna be quick.
Tama.
On my ping, this is quick. You can engage with them if you want.
Pwede ka dito mag-over.
Parang mas okay.
But you gotta be
engage
careful.
yung-
But you gotta be careful. They try to freeze
Dito
you.
tayo sa choke na to. Atras muna tayo.
Harap
West,
natin.
west, west. West. Baka tayo may engage ng quick eh.
Eto, nope, ano na to? Grid na to.
Saan? Oh, hindi. Ano tayo? Sa nope tayo mag-engage.
Yeah, that's gonna be north side of you. If you want, you can just rotate up around now towards
Oh,
west.
ikot ulit tayo. Ikot ulit tayo.
You need to beat them towards northwest. You need to beat them towards west if you want to get sandwich now.
Tayo na nag-around the world na. Tara. Pagka baba natin, ready nyo na yung defensive nyo. Mag-engage tayo kagad.
They're gonna get sandwich here, but you need to be careful because you're gonna be
Ito.
passing to the long chunk here.
Hintayin ko lang yung mga nasa taas.
So Quick is still holding the southeast side, like same position. But they might try to freeze on you right now. You need to be careful here, Nazi.
Pasabi ko nag-engage sila.
No, they haven't engaged yet. They're facing you right now. Full facing you right now. Full facing. You need to be careful
Oh,
here.
go back, go back, go back. Go northwest. Go northwest.
And engaging na sila, pwede ka magana.
Wait, wait.
Full face.
Tara, tara. Engaging in 3, 2, 1. On me, on me, on me. Go back, go back, go back. Go west, go west, go west, go west.
Quick still too far away, so you need to be careful here.
I'll drop GD for everyone.
Pat guys, pat.
Sige, sige.
Yung mga naibit dito.
Go up the hill, go up the hill. Kung saan tayo nanggaling kanina. Around the world ulit tayo. Sa ano tayo? South side. South side tayo dadaan. South side. Sige, atras lang kayo. Kaya mo mag-engage?
Pwede ka ma-engage pre.
Engaging in 3, 2, 1. Dito. Sa ground. Drop. Drop what you have. Then go back. Go south. You have pots. If you have pots, use it. Sige, go back. Sige, boy pa tayo. Tingin sila.
Nice sustain.
Pwede ka engage ulit pre.
Wala CD pa. Oh. Sige, atras lang kayo. Magdadrop ako ng duty sa crown kung kaya nyo mag-heal. Engage tayo. Kaya ba? 3, 2, 1. Malaki to. Drop nyo lahat. Oh, go back. Wala tayo na pitas. Tara. East side.
You gotta be careful here. You might get sandwich right quick here.
Baba.
East side. Baba tayo.
Dapat dito
Sige, may pots pa kayo. Pahil ako kung kaya. Hindi, atras lang.
Now we're just to engage in the choke. You need to be careful here.
Sige, kamusta CD nyo? Buhay pa kayo lahat. Engage tayo. Tingin tayo northwest. In 3, 2, 1. Ready? Go. Malayo kayo. Sige, back. Back muna. Sige, go east. Sa may pader. Sige.
Southeast. You need to keep moving southeast.
Southeast. Sige, dito tayo sa choke na to.
CD pa.
Sige. Atras lang. Kamusta CD nyo?
Good na, good.
Ready, engage tayo. Drop na ng Judy. 3, 2, 1. Sa crown. Ulit to, malaki to boys. Ubus. Sige, atras. Huwag na.
Wait lang.
Atras. Go southeast.
Klaro, ingat.
Tapos go south. Dito, sa ping na to. Sa roads. Salubungin natin yung roads. Kamusta yung cooldown nyo?
7.
Bridge rate.
7, 5.
And good.
Cambridge.
Kamusta yung iba? Ready? Engage tayo. Isurot in 3,
Ready.
2, 1. Engage now. Dito sa crown. Nice.
Nice.
Shit.
You gotta be careful here. Quick is already on top of you right now.
Oh shit. I'm dead.
Enjoy.
I'm dead.